Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of Selenium tutorial, today I'll show you how you can run your Selenium test using Firefox Headless browser. So basically when we run our test with headed mode, you will see at the time of run, you will see the GUI interface like that. Application will open, thereafter whatever script is needed, perform the action, all the thing you can see visually. But headless mode you cannot even see at the runtime any browser. Basically GUI mode you will not able to see. So in order to do that we'll use Eclipse IDE. So here already our project package is created in Eclipse. Those who are new in Eclipse and as well as Selenium, how to create a project package and setup, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch from there. So first thing, you need to select a package, then right click, then go new. You can create Java class, JUnit test case, and also click other testng class. So basically I'm doing testng class because all my previous tutorial use testng class. Then click next. Here you need to take up to source. Then you need to provide your class name. My class name is Headless example. Then click finish. I'm not taking any other annotation from here, only we'll do test. Click finish. Here already created. Here we need to write our code. Basically first thing we need to do web driver equal to null. So when you will write your code, you will see some sort of this type of red mark. Mouse over, import WebDriver. Basically you need to import the package. Thereafter error will gone, red mark will be gone. Thereafter we need to do the system dot set property. Here is the key value pair. So key is the basically WebDriver dot gecko dot driver. We'll use the Firefox browser, that is why gecko. Thereafter here you need to provide your gecko driver path. So I save my gecko driver path over here. Let me copy. Wherever you will put your gecko driver in your system, you need to that path provide over here. So once you provided that, thereafter we need to do driver equal to new Firefox driver. Then semicolon. You see Firefox driver is a red mark. Mouse over, import the package. Error will be gone. Thereafter we need to do driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. This command will give you, once browser is open, it will maximize the browser so that you can see application fully. Thereafter we need to do driver dot get. You need to provide your application URL over here. So my URL is sourcedemo.com. Copy from here and paste it over here. Thereafter we will capture the application title. So driver dot get, now driver dot get title. You need to take this option. So basically we need to capture that title and print our console. That is our purpose. That's why we need to wrap up with a variable string app title equal to driver.get title. Then we can print in the console syso control space bar system out.println. Here we need to write application captured title is colon space concatenate. Here is our app title variable where we captured our title. So then you can save it. If we run this test, it will open browser and it will perform the action. So let me first, that is the headed mode. So let me run first with headed mode, run as test ng test. Let's see how it goes. It is asking for save. Yes, we can save it. So it is running. It will open the Firefox browser. It will maximize. Then it will capture the title. You see this, it is maximized. Application open. So let's see in Eclipse, basically it is passed. Browser did not close because we didn't put that. Let's see, it is printed. That means it is working. So browser did not close because we didn't write that closing application. Driver dot quit. It will quit the application. Now we can save it. Let me close the Firefox browser manually. So here we need to write our 2 lines of code in order to do that in headless mode. So here we need to write Firefox options FO equal to new Firefox options. So you see here is Firefox option also red mark. Mouse over, import that package, red mark will be gone. Then FO dot, you see, add arguments. We need to add arguments. So what is that arguments? Hyphen hyphen, basically it will be within the inverted comma, hyphen hyphen headless. You need to add this argument in order to run as a headless browser. So if you that fo dot arguments headless, and we need to provide that fo in here, Firefox driver, so that Firefox browser will not open if we run this test. So let me save it. Let me clear the console and run it. Right click, run as test ng test. Let's see how it goes. It is running. Basically, we need to see that Firefox browser open or not. So till it is not, test is running. Let's see. You see it is completed almost. It captured the title and it is passed. You see it is passed and it is captured the title. That means headless mode it runs. We don't even see the GUI interface. So basically whenever your test is very big and also many other purpose too, you don't need to GUI interface. You just need to run your test headless mode. You can use this method. So that's all for today's tutorial, how to run Firefox browser as a headless mode in Selenium. Now, I believe those who are new in Selenium as well as headless browser mode run, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.